In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSH access in Hostinger's shared hosting. Whether you're new to hosting or just new to using Hostinger's platform, you'll find these steps straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started. First and foremost, a quick note: if you're using a web premium hosting plan or a greater plan with Hostinger, you're eligible to access your hosting via SSH. It's important to know that this type of access is limited to your home directory and those directories below it. This essentially means you'll have the power to manage files and applications within that part of your hosting account, but not the entire server. To kick off the process, the very first thing you need to do is enable SSH access. And here's how you get that done. Start by heading over to the Websites section of your Hostinger control panel, famously known as H-panel. Once you're there, dive into the dashboard. This area serves as your main control hub, where you manage all your website settings and options. In the dashboard, direct your attention to the sidebar menu. You're going to be searching for an option labeled SSH Access. It's situated among other website management options, so take your time to scroll if necessary. Upon finding SSH Access, select it. This will take you to another screen or section focused solely on SSH-related settings. Now you'll notice a status indicator for SSH access. It should prominently display the current SSH status, which, if you haven't enabled it yet, will most likely be set to inactive. Right beside or underneath this status, you'll see a button labeled Enable. With a simple click on this button, you'll be activating SSH for your account. It's as easy as that. One click and you're ready to connect via SSH. Once enabled, you can now connect to your account using SSH, but remember, only within the scope permitted for your plan. Congratulations, you're all set up. If all went smoothly, you should now have SSH access ready to go on your Hostinger shared hosting account. Before I wrap up, a small note for those on a single hosting plan: if SSH access is a necessity for your needs and you're not seeing the option, it might be worth considering an upgrade to a higher tier plan such as Web Premium, which will give you this capability among other additional features. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process of enabling SSH on Hostinger simpler for you. Feel free to drop a comment below if you run into any issues or have questions, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for watching and happy hosting.